Ever feel like your mind is just too cluttered to think straight? You know, when you're constantly bombarded with thoughts, worries, and to-do lists, and it's hard to focus on what's really important. Mental clutter is a real thing, and it's affecting your mental clarity, productivity, and even your overall well-being. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in our busy lives and let our minds become overwhelmed. We're constantly connected to our devices, social media, and the news, which can lead to information overload and mental fatigue. But what if I told you that there's a way to declutter your mind and regain control over your thoughts and emotions? Imagine being able to wake up every morning feeling refreshed, focused, and ready to tackle the day with clarity and purpose. That's what's possible when you learn how to declutter your mind and prioritize what's truly important. So, let's dive in and explore the importance of mental decluttering and how it can transform your life. We've all been there. Lying in bed at night, struggling to fall asleep because our minds are racing with thoughts and worries. Or sitting at our desks, staring blankly at our computers, unable to focus because of the constant chatter in our minds. It's like our minds are hardwired to think all the time, without any break or reprieve. But here's the thing. Our minds are not designed to handle the sheer volume of information we're exposed to every day. We're constantly multitasking, checking our phones, and switching between tasks, which can lead to mental exhaustion and decreased productivity. And then, there are the stresses and anxieties that come with modern life. Work deadlines, relationship drama, financial worries, and social pressures. It's no wonder our minds feel like they're about to implode from all the mental clutter. When we're constantly surrounded by distractions, it's hard to prioritize what's truly important. We get caught up in the noise and forget to focus on what really matters. Our minds become like cluttered rooms where we can't find what we need, and we feel overwhelmed and suffocated. But what if I told you that there's a way to quiet the noise, declutter your mind, and focus on what truly matters? It's not about getting rid of all your thoughts and worries, but about learning how to manage them in a way that works for you. And you know what? Hitting that subscribe button will also help you on this journey of mental decluttering, as you will be notified when more videos like this are uploaded. One of the most powerful tools for decluttering your mind is mindfulness. By being present in the moment, you can quiet the constant chatter in your mind and focus on what's truly important. It's about paying attention to your thoughts, emotions, and sensations, without judgment, and letting go of what no longer serves you. Another powerful technique is journaling. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help you process and release them, clearing out mental space for more clarity and focus. It's like taking a mental load off and giving your mind a much-needed break. Prioritizing tasks is also crucial for decluttering your mind. When you focus on what's truly important, you can eliminate distractions and mental clutter and achieve your goals with greater ease and efficiency. I want to share a personal story with you that illustrates the transformative power of decluttering your mind. A few years ago, I was feeling overwhelmed and stuck, like my mind was a jumbled mess of thoughts and worries. But then, I started practicing mindfulness and journaling, and it completely changed my life. I felt lighter, freer, and more focused than ever before. I was able to tackle challenges with greater ease and confidence, and my relationships and overall well-being improved dramatically. Decluttering your mind is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. It takes practice, patience, and self-awareness, but the benefits are worth it. Imagine being able to wake up every morning feeling refreshed, focused, and ready to tackle the day with clarity and purpose. That's what's possible when you learn how to declutter your mind and prioritize what's truly important. So, this is what we have so far talked about. The key techniques we've discussed for decluttering your mind are mindfulness, journaling, and prioritizing tasks. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can quiet the noise, focus on what truly matters, and achieve greater mental clarity and productivity. Hit the like and subscribe for more content like this to help you in your decluttering journey or even minimalism journey. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are some of your favorite mental decluttering strategies? Share with us what works